风气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。
就是Demo 口场的教学越来越不一样。
不一样了，比如说这个月有一个母语日啊，
对，世界母语日。
对，所以现在小学有安排母语课程，对不对？
有啊，
你教大家这个好了。
好啊。
Let's teach you how to say this. In elementary school, they actually have mother tongue language classes.
小學有安排，
小學有安排
母語口場，
母語課堂母語課堂
就是母語課程。
That's your mother tongue language classes. 然后疫情期间的时候啊，教学大家都很活，所以会在线上来教学，也很方便。Let's teach you that too. During the pandemic, online teaching classes were very convenient.
疫情期間，用線上課程，教學東方片。
Well, let's review all these terms, including elementary school 小學，
小學
and then mother tongue language classes 母語課程，
母語課程
and online courses 線上課程，
線上課程。
There you have it, another round of practical daily Hakka on ICRT.
是母太嘎。
汉字say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.